arm so you can see her face. Oh, dang it. Oh. This is gonna swamp her. She's so little. Oh. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh. Put that on your hair. My first time ever putting clothes on. It's harder than it looks. Yeah. There you go. This is so huge on her. On this side. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Okay. I know. Okay. Let's see here, baby. We might have to put something different on you. Look at her dying. Doesn't she look adorable? Should we put something different on her?
No, just leave it.
Oh, look at the neck. Well, look at you, honey. You're like a blanket with arms. You like it, though? Oh, you would have a burp in there. Okay, okay. You do have a burp. Yeah. I gotcha. We're going home. We're going home, finally. Oh, honey. Oh, you want to eat? You just ate a ton. You're a good eater. Okay. Oh, let's rockabye you to sleep and then we'll put you in the car seat. Okay? You look ridiculous. Someday we'll look at this little outfit and be like, look at how tiny she was. Look at how tiny you were. Can you smile and not look so concerned? No? You want to look concerned? Can you see your papa? Alrighty, that's good, babe.